You bought ExpressVPN and installed it on your phone or laptop. But the second you try to watch something on your smart TV, PlayStation, or Apple TV, nothing. The VPN can't even install on those devices. Here's the thing nobody tells you when you sign up. There's a setting in your ExpressVPN account that unlocks all of those devices in about 5 minutes. It's free, it's already there, and most people never find it. My name is Kyle from the VPN Nerds. Let's get into it. Okay, before we jump into the setup, let me quickly explain what MediaStreamer actually is. MediaStreamer is a smart DNS service that ExpressVPN includes for free with every subscription. Think of it like a shortcut. Instead of routing your whole internet connection through a VPN server, it just tricks streaming sites into thinking that you're in a different country. That's all. Now here's the catch that you need to know about. MediaStreamer is great for streaming, but it does not encrypt your traffic. So this isn't a privacy tool, it's a streaming tool. If you want privacy, you still want the regular VPN app on your phone or laptop. But for unblocking Netflix on your TV, MediaStreamer is honestly perfect. Alright, let's get into step 1. Step 1 is simple. You need an active ExpressVPN subscription to use MediaStreamer. It's included for free, but you do need an account. If you don't have one yet, I've included a link in the description below with the best current deal. Go ahead and grab it real quick so you can follow along with me. Why does this matter? Because MediaStreamer is locked behind your account dashboard. Without an account, none of these steps will work. A lot of beginners try to skip this and then wonder why they're getting stuck on step 3. Alright, this is the most important part, so pay attention. Go ahead and click the link in the description below and log into your ExpressVPN account. Your screen should look exactly like mine. Once logged in, you're going to head to the DNS settings section. To access it, in the left column, select ExpressVPN and then scroll down to DNS settings. Now here's what we're doing. ExpressVPN needs to know what IP address is sending the requests, so it recognizes you. So you will see a button that says register my IP address. You're going to go ahead and click register my IP address. Then make sure automatically register my IP address is enabled. This is huge because your home IP address can change from time to time. And if it changes, MediaStreamer stops working until you update it. Turning on auto register saves you a ton of headache later on. This is the #1 mistake that beginners make. They set everything up, it works for a week, and then suddenly everything stops. It's almost always because their IP changed and they didn't have auto register on. Always turn on auto register. It's the difference between MediaStreamer just working forever versus constantly breaking. Okay, now that your IP is registered, here's where the magic actually happens. We're going to grab the special DNS address that turns your device into a streaming machine. On the same page, you will see an IP address. It's a string of numbers separated by dots. This is your MediaStreamer DNS address. Make sure that you copy it down somewhere. Take a screenshot, write it down in notes, or text it to yourself, whatever works for you. You're going to need this exact number in the next step. Now why does this matter? Because this DNS address is basically your golden ticket. When your TV console uses this address, it routes your streaming traffic through ExpressVPN's smart DNS servers, and that's what unlocks the geo-blocked content. Make sure you copy it properly. One wrong digit and nothing's going to work. Now head over to the actual device that you want to stream on. This could be your smart TV, Apple TV, PlayStation, Xbox, whatever doesn't support a VPN app. This process is slightly different on each device, but the idea is the same. So you're going to head into your network settings, find the DNS configuration, and change it from automatic to manual. Then you'll enter the DNS address that you just copied from the step above. Let me give you a quick example. On a Samsung TV, you'd go to Settings, General, Network, Network Status, IP Settings, DNS Settings, Manual, and then paste in your DNS code. On PlayStation, it's Settings, Network, Setup Internet Connection, Custom, and then you'll see a DNS field there. On Apple TV, you go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, Your Network, Configure DNS, and then Manual. After entering it, save your changes and restart the device. This part is important. A lot of people skip the restart part and wonder why it is not working. The restart forces the device to refresh its connection using the new DNS. Make sure your ExpressVPN account is still open from the link in the description below if you need to double check your IP address. Alright, the final step. Let's actually test if it works. Open your streaming app on the device device, whether that's Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, Disney+, whatever you're trying to access. You should now see content based on the region that MediaStreamer connects you to, which is typically the US. If you're trying to access Netflix US from outside the US, just open Netflix and you should see the US library populate. If it's not working, here's the checklist I want you to run through. Did you register your IP in step 2? Is auto register turned on? Did you restart the device after changing your DNS? If all 4 are checked off, MediaStreamer will be working, I promise. And here's the pro tip, which happens automatically with most ISPs. MediaStreamer might stop working temporarily until your account auto-registers the new IP. That's normal, just give it a few minutes. And that's it, that's the full MediaStreamer setup. Quick recap, you logged into your ExpressVPN account, registered your IP, turned on auto-register, copied the DNS address, pasted it into your device's system, restarted, and now you're streaming geo-blocked content like a pro. The biggest takeaway here, you do not need a VPN app on every streaming device. MediaStreamer lets you unblock content on TVs, consoles, and Apple TV that normally can't run a VPN app. And it's already included in your ExpressVPN subscription. If you don't have ExpressVPN yet, check out the link in the description below for the best current deals. And if this video helped, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the VPN Nerds. My name is Carl from the VPN Nerds. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.